Okay, girls, I'm starting with question number 6 now. Question number 6, simplify the following using the rules of indices. Using the rules of indices, you will apply all the laws over here in this question. So, I suggest you, I advise you that before coming back to this question, before solving this question, revise all your exponent's law. Because if you are not clear with your exponent's law, then definitely you will make mistake. If you are clear with your exponent's law, then this question will become very easier for you. Okay, it's very interesting. If you know your Power's law, you can easily solve this question. So let's begin it. It says you have to apply rules of indices over here. Here in this question, I can see that powers are given inside, same bases are there, and power is outside as well. So I know that here I can apply power law. Power law, remember, you know power laws, that power raised to another powers are multiplied. Okay, power raised to another power are multiplied. So let's begin our question. Our question is 6. Which power is here? Minus 1. There is no power, so I can simply write minus 1. If you assume also it's a power 1, so 1 multiplied by minus 1 gives you minus 1. A cube multiplied by minus 1. B 2 multiplied by minus 1. I am simply applying power law over here. Okay, I am not doing anything else. I am just applying power law. Power law says that power raised to another powers are simply multiplied. Then it's C. No power. Power 1 is here. 1 multiplied by minus 1 gives me minus 1. I will simply write it. Now upon. Solve for denominators as well. No power, so it will come minus 1. A. No power, 1 multiplied by minus 1 gives me minus 1. B. Cube is given over here, multiplied by minus 1. C. No power, it will come minus 1. Now what you will do, students, is equals to 6 raised to the power minus 1 over here. Simply first multiply the powers and then we can see what we can do in the next step. 6 raised to the power minus 1 will come as it is. A 3 multiplied by minus 1 gives me 3. 1s are 3 and minus sign. B 2. Sorry, I forgot here to write multiply. 2 multiplied by minus 1, 2, 1s are 2 and minus 2. C minus 1 upon 9 raised to the power 1 will copy as it is. A raised to the power minus 1 will copy as it is. B 3 1s are 3 and minus 1 multiplied, so it will give minus 3. C raised to the power minus 1. Okay girls, now what I will do, I will just apply negative law over here. Negative law, you know negative law says that whenever the powers are negative, take reciprocal of it so that it become positive. Now I can see that 6 raised to the power minus 1 is also negative, 9 raised to the power minus 1 is also negative. If I take reciprocal, I bring 9 in numerator position and 6 is denominator position, their powers will become positive. So 9 will go up and 6 will come down. If I want to write 1, I can write. If I don't want to write 1, I don't write. It's better not to write because raised to the power 1 we never write. Okay, when no power is given, it's obvious that it is raised to the power 1. Now a minus 3 is negative, so I will bring this down. It will become positive. This is negative, you will take it up. Become 1. Again, it is 1. I don't need to write this. Then B. This minus 2 is negative. Bring it down. It will become positive. This minus 3 is down. Take it up. It will become positive. Multiply by C. Now C over here, girls, I do not need to solve this. When you have same exponents, you have same exponents. Like over here, if you apply also, it will, what it will do, c raised to the power minus 1 and c raised to the power minus 1. I'm solving this separately so that you can directly apply. C raised to the power minus 1 over here, c raised to the power minus 1. If I take this up, it will become positive. If I bring it down, it will become positive. Okay, then same base quotient law will apply. Quotient law of same base, 1 minus 1 will give me c raised to the power 0. Okay, and I know that if the power is 0, it will become to 1. So here it's simply multiply by 1. Again, multiply by 1 doesn't have any value, so I will not write it. I will just omit this c from here. Okay, I have separately given this concept to you. I do not want you to get confused why I have cut it over here. I've cut it because this become positive over here, this become positive over here. When you apply quotient law of same base, 1 will get up and it will minus. So plus 1 and minus 1 will gives you 0. C raised to the power 0, any power 0, any variable or number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. 1 doesn't have any value, so I'm not writing over here. Just cut c over here. Okay, now what I will do in the next step, I will cut 6, I will reduce 9 and 6. So 6, 3 2s are 3 3s are. Okay, now come over here and I'm doing this work on this side. Okay, now I have 3 over here and 2 over here. Okay, I'm just separating my fractions. Okay, I'm separating my fractions. Now you can see simply I will apply same base quotient law over here. Okay, same base quotient law will be applied. So same base quotient law says that a is 1 over here. Okay, this power you will bring up, you will subtract them. If you remember quotient law of same base, you subtract the powers. Same base divide हो रही हैं, you subtract the powers. B 3 and 2. Here it was 3. When I will bring this 2 down, it will 2 up, it will become minus. Now in the next step I will solve it. 3 upon 2 a 1 minus 3, it will give me minus 2, plus 1 minus 3, plus minus gives me minus 3, you will subtract, you will get 2, sign of the greater number. B 3 minus 2, plus minus minus 3 minus 2 gives me 1, sign of the greater number, plus 1 will come. I will not write plus 1 over here. Simply 3 upon 2 you will copy. Now this is negative, so what you will do, you will bring this down to 2. You know that these are all in numerator position, so you will bring this a down, a square will bring it down. You will make this power positive. B is already positive, you can simply write over here. This is your answer. I hope this is clear to you. I will share picture also with you so that easily you can copy this work. Okay, I'm not doing any more sum of this exercise. Just keep your work till here. See you. Goodbye.